All right, these are your 4-2 notes. We're not going to do anything wild and crazy we haven't done already, but you have to pay very close attention to what we do because it's kind of detailed and specific. So just to review, less than, greater than, we graph with an open circle. Less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, we graph with a closed circle. Remember to flip the inequality sign if you multiply or divide by a negative. So today we have our variable on the right side and our number on the left side. We cannot just look at that and graph it the way it looks. So we have to, once you get your answer, we're going to flip your answer. That means switch sides with the variable and the number and flip the sign. So we are going to be flipping back and forth over and over, and as long as you just pick up the routine and the pattern, you'll be fine. So I cannot graph this because the x is on the wrong side. So I'm going to switch places with the x and the -4. The only legal way to do that, if I flip the numbers and the variable, the sign also flips. Solid circle on 4 goes to the right. All right, same thing here. I'm going to just flip it all over. The y flips and the 0 flips and my sign flips. Closed circle on 0 to the left. Same thing, flip it over, flip your sign. Open circle to the right. Same thing here. Flip them over. Open circle to the left. All right, I just wanted you to see how we flip stuff. Now we're going to solve equations, and we're going to be flipping as we solve them, okay? Let's look at number 5. So, first we're just going to solve this how we know how to solve it because we're super smart. We're going to add 3 to both sides. -12 plus 3 is a -9, less than or equal to 3x. Now to get that x alone, I'm going to divide by 3. -3 less than or equal to x. All right, we've got it, but it's on the wrong side. So let's just flip them over, flip, and now we can graph it. Solid circle on -3 to the right. Number 6, same thing. Let's move that -14 first by adding 14 plus 13 is 27, greater than or equal to -9x. Now we divide by -9. All right, hold the phone. I just divided by a negative. The very top note we said when we multiply or divide by a negative, we flip the sign. So, I'm going to write x. I have to flip it, less than or equal to -3. All right, that's lovely and beautiful, but it's on the wrong side. So now I'm going to flip everything over. So I flipped it because of the negative, but now I flip it back so I can graph it. So it's like a flip-flop. All right, solid circle on -3 to the right. Let's look at number 7. All right, the first step in solving this is to get that -2 moved. It's being divided, so I'm going to multiply. All right, so I just multiplied by a -2, which means I have to flip my sign. -2 times 5 is 10. It was less than, I need to make it greater than 8 minus x. All right, I need to move that 8 now, so I'm going to subtract him. 2 greater than negative. I'm going to put a 1 in front of that x. All right, to get that x alone, I'm going to have to divide by -1. Uh-oh, I just divided by a negative. Means I got to flip my sign. So -2, flip it over, less than x. Okay, that's your correct answer, but now I'm going to flip everything back again so that I can graph it. So we flipped that 3 times, and it's okay. Just got to do it. So open circle on the 2 going to the right. Number 8. The first thing I'm going to move, this guy right here, he's kind of together. He's stuck together right now, so we do not move him first. We move the 5 first by subtraction. 2 is greater than x over -4. To move that -4, I'm going to multiply because he's being divided. All right, I just multiplied by a negative number, which means -8. I've got to flip that sign, less than x. All right, I've solved it, but now I need to flip him back. I need to flip him the other way so we can graph him. Open circle on -8 to the right. I want you to flip it over to the next page, and I want you to pick 4 problems on that page. There's 8 of them. I want you to do 4 of them, any 4, and turn it into me.